Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dependent drop-down list. Let's get started. Let's say you want to choose between drinks and desserts. Based on your choice, you'll get different options. Starting off, to set this up, you'll need to create the database. Begin by establishing the types, drinks and desserts. Now to make the drop-downs dependent, you'll create specific ranges for each category. After defining these ranges, name the top left corner exactly as the type you've given and color it for easy identification. Repeat this process for both drinks and desserts. Once you've set this up, it's time to create a table. To make the drop-downs, use Data Validation. Select the range, go to the Data tab, choose Data Validation, and allow values from a list. Enter your source, drinks, and desserts, then hit OK. Now for the dependent dropdown, you'll again use Data Validation. This time, select the range, go to Data Validation, allow values from a list, but instead of a static source, use a formula like indirect. Enter equals, indirect, open bracket, select the cell value, in this case it's cell G3. You need to be careful and remove the dollar symbol. Then close the brackets and hit OK. Now when you select drinks, you'll see options like soda, and if you select desserts, you'll see options like ice cream. Plus, you can easily add new food options later. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.